Welcome back to Daily Drives, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. If you love cars, trucks, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting small pickups hitting the market, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny Sierra Small Pickup. Buckle up because this one's going to be a game changer. The Suzuki Jimny has built a reputation as one of the most rugged and compact off-roaders out there. Over the years, it has become a cult favorite for adventure lovers, off-road enthusiasts, and even urban drivers who appreciate its unique charm. But now, Suzuki is taking things a step further by transforming the Jimny into a small pickup truck, making it even more versatile and capable. So what makes the Suzuki Jimny Sierra Small Pickup 2026 special? First off, let's talk about the design. Suzuki has retained the Jimny's signature boxy styling, which has been a key part of its appeal for decades. However, this time we get a practical and functional cargo bed at the back, making it an excellent choice for those who need a compact truck with off-road prowess. The front end remains unmistakably Jimny, featuring the round LED headlights, a bold front grille with vertical slats, and a tough bumper that signals its off-road capabilities. The side profile showcases rugged fender flares, giving it a muscular stance, while the rear is all about utility, with a well-proportioned truck bed that can handle a variety of loads. Under the hood, the 2026 Jimny Sierra Small Pickup is expected to carry a reliable and efficient powertrain. While Suzuki has yet to confirm all the details, industry experts predict that it will feature a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 100 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. While these numbers may not sound massive, the Jimny's lightweight construction ensures that it delivers impressive performance both on and off the road. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Jimny Sierra Pickup remains true to its off-road DNA. And of course, Suzuki's All-Grip Pro 4 WD system is expected to be standard, ensuring that this little truck can tackle rugged terrains with ease. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, navigating muddy paths, or cruising through the city, this pickup is designed to handle it all. Off-road enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the 2026 Jimny Sierra Pickup retains the legendary ladder frame chassis, ensuring durability and strength. The approach and departure angles are well optimized for off-roading, while the solid axles at both ends provide excellent articulation. With a ground clearance of around 210 minutes, ready to take on challenging landscapes without breaking a sweat. But what about the practicality of the truck bed? Well, Suzuki has designed the cargo area to be both functional and durable. While it may not be as large as full-size pickups, it offers enough space to carry camping gear, tools, or even light construction materials. The bed is reinforced to handle rough usage, and Suzuki is likely to offer various accessories like bed liners, racks, and covers to enhance its usability. Let's talk interior. Inside, the Jimny Sierra Small Pickup keeps things simple yet effective. The dashboard layout remains familiar, with a focus on usability and durability. Expect a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a multi-function steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster to provide essential vehicle information. Since this is a small pickup, Suzuki has made efforts to maximize cabin space. While it remains a two-seater, the designers have optimized storage compartments to ensure you have enough space for personal items and gear. The seats are designed for comfort on long journeys, and the materials used are tough enough to withstand rugged use. Safety features are always a crucial aspect, and Suzuki is expected to equip the Jimny Sierra Pickup with modern driver assistance technologies. Features like electronic stability control, hill descent control, ABS with EBD, and multiple airbags will ensure a safe driving experience. Additionally, Suzuki might introduce advanced features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning in higher trims. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the 2026 Jimny Sierra Pickup. The combination of a small, efficient engine and lightweight construction means you get excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily use and long-distance adventures. With rising fuel prices, this could be a significant advantage for buyers looking for an affordable yet capable pickup. One of the most exciting aspects of the Jimny Sierra Small Pickup is its customization potential. Enthusiasts will likely find a wide range of aftermarket modifications available, from off-road bumpers and lift kits to roof racks and auxiliary lighting. Suzuki may even offer official accessories to enhance its utility and aesthetics. Now, let's talk about the expected pricing. While Suzuki hasn't officially revealed the price tag, Industry insiders suggest that the 2026 Jimny Sierra Pickup will be positioned competitively. Given Suzuki's track record of offering budget-friendly vehicles, we expect it to be one of the most affordable small pickups in the market, making it an excellent option for those who want a reliable truck without breaking the bank. Competition in the small pickup segment is heating up, with models like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz gaining popularity. However, what sets the Jimny Sierra Pickup apart is its true off-road capability and compact size. Unlike many other pickups that focus on urban utility, the Jimny stays true to its roots, offering a rugged and adventurous driving experience. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a small business owner, or simply someone who loves unique vehicles, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny Sierra Small Pickup is a machine worth considering. It blends the charm of the Jimny with the practicality of a pickup, creating a vehicle that stands out in the crowded automotive market. So, what do you think about the all-new Suzuki Jimny Sierra Small Pickup 2026? Is it the perfect compact truck for your adventures? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Suzuki Jimny Sierra Small Pickup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Daily Drives, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting automotive content coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.